Hello students, today in this video I will explain you exercise first week. Exercise number first week. So in this exercise I will explain you how to draw the Venn diagram. Question number first. Figure is given in the question. This is the set A. This circle represents A set. Inside the A circle, A set, elements A, B and C are there. Outside E and F are written, and here it is written U. First part is you have to write the set A by roster method. A is equal to curly bracket. We have to write in roster method. Roster method, another name of roster method is tabular method. So in this method what you have to do, you have to write all the elements that are coming in the set A. So in the set A, B and C, these three elements are coming. So we will write here A, B and C. This is the answer of first part. Second part is write the universal set U in the tabular form. We have to write in tabular form. Roster or tabular, both are same thing. U we have to write, U means universal set. So in order to write the universal set, we have to write all the elements which are coming in this rectangle. This rectangular box represent universal set. So what elements are coming in this rectangular box? A, B, C, E, F. So we will write here A, B, C, E and F. These elements will come in the universal set. Now third part, A, subpart is there, A dash A. You have to fill here belong to or not belong to sign. So we have to check whether this A is coming in A set or not. Element A is there in the A set, so we will fill here belong. This symbol is known as belong to. Second part, E dash A. We have to check whether E is coming in A set or not. This is the A set. E is not written, so we will put not belong to. This symbol represents not belong to. C part, F dash A complement. Here comma type is given on A. This is known as complement. A complement. So A complement means outside the A. A complement means no need to take this A circle. A complement means this circle, outside the circle we have to check. Outside the circle F is written or not. Outside the circle. Here F is written. Yes. So we will write this is belong to. So like this you have to do question number first. Now question number second. Second question. Figure is given. Two circles are given. First circle is M, another circle is P. Here it is written 1, 5. Between it is written 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. First part, write the set M and P in the tabular form. We have to write the set M and set P in the tabular form or roster method. We have to write the elements which are coming in M set. Where is M set? This circle is for M. So in this 5 elements are written in this circle. So we have to write all those 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, we will write all the elements which are coming in P set. What elements are coming in P? This is the circle P. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. So we will write here 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. These all elements are coming in the P set. Now part number second. Write the members common to M and P. Common members we have to write. Common means we have to write intersection. M intersection P. This symbol is known as intersection and the meaning of this symbol is common. So which elements are common in both M and P, that write. So this much part is coming in both the circle. If we will take M circle, then also it is coming. If we will take B circle, then this much portion is coming again. So this much part is common. So we will write here M intersection B is 2, 3 and 4. So this is your final answer of question number 2nd. Question number 3rd and 4th are also same as I had explained you in question number 1st and 2nd. So these questions you have to do by yourself. Now come to question number 5. 5th question. A set is given 0, 2, 4, 6. B set is also given 0, 3, 6, 9. These two sets are given and we have to draw the Venn diagram. So in order to draw the Venn diagram, first of all, what you have to do? You have to find the common. Common means intersection. A intersection B you will find. A intersection B, which elements are coming in both? 0 is coming in both. Then 6 is coming in both. So these two elements are common in both. So in order to draw the Venn diagram, we have to make two circles. First circle is for A and second circle we have to draw for B, and we have to cut these two circles like this. Why? Because here intersection we are getting two elements. Intersection means common. Common is coming, that's why such a figure is known as overlapping figure. We will call it as overlapping. So overlapping, when we have to draw the overlapping figure, whenever your intersection elements are coming, whenever in the intersection we will get any elements, then we have to draw the overlapping figure. Now first of all you have to fill this intersection part. Intersection means common. So this much part is common in both the circle. So here we will fill 0 and 6. After filling these two elements, we have to write the remaining elements of A. 0 we had already filled. 2 is remaining, 4 is remaining, 6 we had already filled. So 2 elements are remaining, 2 and 4. That we will write in A. In the B also we will write the remaining elements. 0 and 6 we had already filled, 3 and 9 are remaining. So we will fill here 3 and 9. So this is your Venn diagram for question number 5th. Now same way you have to do question number 6 also. 5th and 6th both are same. Now see question number 7. 7th question. Represent the universal set. One universal set is given U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then A set is also given. A set is 1, 3, 5, 7. We have to represent these two with the Venn diagram. So first of all universal set is given. For universal we have to draw one rectangular box. Rectangle represent universal. You can write U outside also, you can write U inside also. Both the ways are correct. Now after writing U, we have to draw one A circle inside this rectangle. First we will fill A. First we will not fill universal. First of all you have to fill A elements. A elements are 1, 3, 5, 7. After filling the elements of A, we will fill the universal elements. Where we will fill the universal elements? Outside the circle. But in the universal 1, 3, 5, 7 are coming, so we will not write them again. We will not write them again. So 1 is over, 2 is remaining, 3 over, 4 is remaining, 5 over, 6 is remaining. So this is your Venn diagram for question number 7. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is X set is given. First of all, we will write which things are given here in the question. Question number 8. X set is given 2, 4, 6. Y set is also given 3, 6, 9. Z set is also given 4, 8, 12, 16. We have to identify the disjoint and overlapping. Overlapping and disjoint we have to identify. First part is X and Y. X and Y. So in order to identify overlapping or disjoint, you have to find common. Common means intersection. So X and Y, which elements are common in both X and Y? 6 is common in both. If you will observe, 6 is coming in both. So X intersection Y is 6. Common is coming. That's why X and Y are overlapping set. X and Y are overlapping set because intersection is coming. Now second part, Y and Z. Y intersection Z we will find. Common in Y and Z. 3 is not common, 6 is also not common, 9 is also not common. So nothing is common in Y and Z. So we will make empty bracket. Empty bracket. Nothing will come here. In such case we will write it is empty set. It is empty set, therefore, or we can write so, and Y and Z are disjoint set. So in disjoint set, what you have to remember, when we will find X intersection Y, nothing will be common in that. That's why we have to say it is disjoint set. Overlapping means whenever common will come, intersection will be there, then in that case it will be overlapping. So like this you have to do third part also, and in the question at the end it is written also show them by Venn diagram. You have to draw the Venn diagram also. So for first part, when we will draw Venn diagram for first part, how we will draw Venn diagram for first part? Venn diagram. First of all, two sets are given X and Y, and common is coming. Overlapping is there. So overlapping figure how we will make? Two circles will cut each other. This is X and this is Y. Both are overlapping. That's why we are making figure like this. Now we have to fill the middle part. Common is 6. After that we have to fill the elements of X. X elements are 2, 4 and 6. 6 we had already written, so we will fill here 2 and 4. Now we will write Y elements 3, 6, 9. 6 is already written, so 3 and 9 we will fill. So this is the Venn diagram for part number first. Now second part. Second part, intersection is not coming, it is empty set. So in such case, what we have to do? We have to make two circles separate. They will not cut each other. Separate circles we will make. First set is Y and another set is Z. So here we will write Y and here we will write Z. In the Y we have to fill 3, 6, 9. In Z we have to fill 4, 8, 12 and 16. So such figure is known as disjoint. So you have to remember, for disjoint we have to make separate circles. For overlapping we have to make two circles that will cut each other. Common part must be there. So like this you have to do question number 8, and question number 9 is also exactly same as we had done in question number 8. The only difference is the sets A, B and C are given in the set builder form. Set builder form is given. You have to write first of all A, B and C in the roster form. Then same work you have to do as we have done here. Now all of you see question number 11. 10th question is same as we have done in question number 5, question number 7, question number 8. All these are same, and question number 10 is also same. Question number 11th, all of you see. 11th question. Draw a Venn diagram to represent. We have to draw the Venn diagram. U set is given. U is equal to X such that X is a letter of word. Entertainment. So this is the set builder form. First of all we will write in roster form. Letters of word. Which letters are coming? E, N, T. E is coming again, so we will not write again. R, E, N, T, R. T is already over. A I N is already over, M E is already over, N is already over, T is already over. So this much elements will come in universal set. Now X set is given A I R P. So first of all, what we will do? Venn diagram we have to draw. Universal is coming. We will draw one rectangular box for universal. Then we have to draw one more circle, and the name of this set is X. In X, A, I, R and T we have to fill, A, I, R, T as it is given in the question. Then we will fill the remaining elements. We will not write A, I, R, T because we had already filled. Now what are the remaining elements? E is remaining, N is remaining and M is remaining. So this we will fill outside the circle. So this is the Venn diagram for question number 11. So like this you have to do all the questions of this exercise. Now next exercise is your revision exercise, and revision exercise, in this you will get all the questions which you had done in exercise A as well as in exercise B. So same concepts questions are there, nothing is different. So this exercise you have to do by yourself. Only one or two questions are different. That questions I will explain you now. What are those questions? See. Question number second is different. Question number second of revision exercise. Revision exercise. Question number second. A set is given. X says that X is equal to n square plus 1. N belongs to whole number, W means whole number, and X is less than 50. So first of all what we will do? First of all we will solve it. This is the set builder form. Formula is X is equal to n square plus 1. N is whole number and X is less than 50. So whole number we will write N is 0. When N we will put here 0. So X is equal to 0 multiply 0 plus 1. Why I am multiplied 2 times? Because in the n power is 2. So whatever n value we will take, we have to multiply it 2 times. So 0 multiply 0 is 0 plus 1. So X answer is 1. Is this X less than 15? Yes. So we have to take it. Now n value 0 we have taken, we will take 1. So here we will put X is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, answer of X is 2. This X value is less than 15. Yes. So we have to take this one also. Now n value we will put 2. When we will put n value 2, so X is equal to n value we will put 2. Power is also there, so we have to write it 2 times. 2 multiply 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1, answer is 5. Now we have to check X is 5. Is this less than 15? Yes. So we have to take this one also. Now put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 2 we have put. Now 3 we will put. X is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1. N square is there, that's why we are multiplying 2 times. 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. This is the answer of X, and this 10 is less than 50. Yes. Now we will take next value. Put n is equal to 4. When we will put n value 4, here we will get X is equal to 4 into 4 plus 1, 16 plus 1, and answer is 17. Is this 17 less than 15? No. This answer is wrong, so we will not do further. We will not solve it more. Now we have to write the answer of A set. A set answer. In the set A we have to write X. So what are the correct answer of X? X is 1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. So this is the answer of A set. question is asking you have to write in roster method. So we had written here roster method. Answer is 1, 2, 5 and 10. Now fill in the blanks. First part 11 dash 8. So we have to check whether 11 is coming in this or not. It is not coming. So we will write not belongs. Second part 5 dash 8. Is 5 coming in this? Yes, it is coming. So we have to write belong to. Third part 17 dash 3. 17 is coming in this? No. So we will write not belong. So like this we have to do question number 2nd. Now all of you see question number 11. Rest of the questions are same as you had done in the previous exercise. So 11th question is different. I am explaining you question number 11. 11th question, u is equal to x such that x belong to n and x is greater than equal to 1 less than equal to 10. This is the question. First of all, what we will do? We will solve it. Natural numbers we have to write. Greater than 1 but equal is there. Equal means 1 also we have to take and greater number also we have to take. Greater than 1 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up till 10 we will write because here in the 10 equal sign is coming. Equal means we have to take 10 also and all the numbers which are less than 10 also, those we have to write. So this is the universal set. Now A set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B set 4, 6, 8. We have to draw the Venn diagram. In order to draw the Venn diagram, first step is you have to find intersection A intersection B. So which things are common in both? In both 4 is common, 6 is common, 8 is common. So intersection is 4, 6 and 8. So what you have observed? Here one new thing we are observing that these 4, 6, 8 these all are the elements of B. That means common is coming this complete set. Whenever this full set is coming in A, all the elements of B are coming in A. All the elements of B set are in A set. All the elements of set B are coming in, this is the set B elements. These all are coming in A. That's why we will say B is subset of A. B जो है वो subset है. And subset Venn diagram how you will draw? One circle we will take inside and one circle we will take outside. Universal is also coming. U, for U we have to take rectangular box and outside we will write this is U. Now we have to see which elements are coming in which set. B elements are coming in A. In A means A के अंदर. तो बाहर वाला circle A, inside A we have to take B. Now we have to fill intersection part. What is intersection? 4, 6, 8. Intersection part we have to fill in the middle, center. 4, 6, 8. So first step is we will fill intersection. After filling the intersection part, we will fill the elements of A. 4, 6, 8 we had already written. What are the remaining elements? 2 and 10. So in this circle A we will fill 2 and 10. Now universal remaining elements we will write outside the circle. 1 is remaining, 2 is over, 3 is remaining, 4 over, 5 is remaining, 6 over, 7 remaining, 8 over, 9 remaining. So this is the Venn diagram for question number 11. So now rest of the question of this revision exercise you have to practice yourself. So your homework is you all have to finish exercise first B as well as this revision exercise.